favorite series like Coach, Roseanne, and Home Improvement. Plus, a great lineup of all your favorite blockbuster movies, all right here on ABC.
Now, if this were 10 years ago, I would say that was not very good. However, for the style that exists now, it was okay. Because this is something I said earlier, boring is in. Okay.
Right.
So I'm going to give you a couple of places where you can punch it up, but I want you to remember boring is in. They don't call it boring. They call it real.
Right.
Real people.
Okay.
With no personality. So don't put too much personality in it, or it's not going to feel real. However, when you say ABC's got the stuff, you just sort of threw away got the stuff. Okay. That's ABC we're talking about. Who's got the stuff?
ABC's got the stuff.
Right. They've got, but it doesn't have to be just got the stuff. Like you could imagine there's a big space between each of those words. Right. I don't want to give you a line reading. Like you could play around with pace, for instance, on that section. And then when you did your list, the Coach, Roseanne, and Home Improvement, there wasn't too much vocal variation on it. And it would break up the spot and make it more interesting if you added that. And then finally, when the last line, all right here on ABC, you could go up at the beginning and bring it on home, bring it down at the end. Okay. All right. And let's see if that's a lot of directions, but I think you can do it.
Okay. April's jamming, and ABC's got the stuff with special episodes of all your favorite series like Coach, Roseanne, and Home Improvement. Plus, a great lineup of all your blockbuster movies, all right here on ABC.
That was so much better. Now, your favorite blockbuster movies.
Got it.
Right?
Okay.
Now, lean into that resonance. April's jamming, right? Because this is promo. And I know you got that. And they've got the stuff. You did exactly what I was hinting at, right? It's not just ABC's got the stuff. It's ABC's got the stuff. Okay.
All right.
I love the list a lot better. And I want you to make me feel how great this lineup of not just blockbuster movies, but like your favorite blockbusters, right?
Right.
All right here on ABC.
All right. April's jamming, and ABC's got the stuff with special episodes of all your favorite series like Coach, Roseanne, and Home Improvement. Plus, a great lineup of all your favorite blockbuster movies, all right here on ABC.
All right. Now, here's the kicker.
Right.
Forget it. Forget everything I just said. The line readings, the notes. Go back to boring, but engaged.
Okay.
Because now you're engaged. Because now you know where you can go. Right?
Okay.
But don't.
Okay.
It's almost like it's your internal dialogue, right? It's internally, all the possibilities of the spot, and externally, you're just hinting at it. Does that make sense?
Sure.
With resonance.
Okay. April's jamming, and ABC's got the stuff with special episodes of your favorite series like Coach, Roseanne, and Home Improvement. Plus, a great line. Plus, a great.
We're gonna do it. The first line was perfect.
Okay.
Too much on the list. Let go.
Got it.
Let go. All that.
All right.
Okay. Forget my notes. Let it go.
All right. April's jamming, and ABC's got the stuff with special episodes of all your favorite series like Coach, Roseanne, and Home Improvement. Plus, a great lineup of all your favorite blockbuster movies, all right here on ABC.
That was great. You put that right on a demo, man. That was so good.
Thank you.
I'm done. You're done. How'd that feel?
It felt great.
Could you tell? No?
Yeah.
Sometimes we need to do either a ridiculous read or an alt read or an over-the-top read or whatever in order to then collapse it all back down and strip it away and find the essence. That's what we did.
It felt strange because I felt like I was holding myself back the whole time doing that read. And I was like it was difficult trying to be that held back, like I wanted to convey like
That's why we had to
the
let it out
audience.
first.
Right.
You had to
Okay.
let it all out and just relax into it. But you can do that. And you did it really well.
Thank you.
I'm going to do it now. Okay. Because my guess is people are going to like yours better. I would not normally do that, but just as an example, I'm going to give it a totally different spin, but I won't be able to do it the way he did because I don't have that in my range. April's jamming and ABC's got the stuff with special episodes of all your, well, I didn't like it. With special episodes, it would be like that. April's jamming and ABC's got the stuff with special episodes of all your favorite series like Coach, Roseanne, and Home Improvement. Plus, a great lineup of all your favorite blockbuster movies, all right here on ABC. So, I'm a pro. It was good. Totally different. If I were doing that for a different network, not ABC, if I did my read for something, young that skews younger, whatever that is, right? Maybe mine would hit it because it's got more texture and edge. But for something more established with an older audience, like a, legacy network like ABC, if you were to compare my read against Brandon might actually book that because he has that solid maturity, right, in his voice. Jason has that, but with the Southern spin, and I don't. But what I have is also good. But it's just you have to know where you're sellable, right? It all depends. What's the market, what's the audience, who is the client in terms of what is quote unquote better or more bookable, more appropriate for them.